So you've never been out on track before?
Not at speed, no.
Okay.
But I have pulled 8.5 Gs in an aerobatic plane, so I'm not super worried about.
We don't do 8.5.
Yeah.
1.7 is about the most we do.
Okay.
Which corner station are you working today?
5.
5? Okay.
Yep.
We'll have some fun there then. All right. Lap to warm up.
It's got heavier brakes than I expected.
Should be up to temp now. Some late braking.
Yeah.
Here you clip a little bit of curb. Accelerate through the second apex.
Keep pushing.
Yeah,
Fun little car.
definitely.
Next left. Apex timing.
I didn't know you were pulling so much lateral load through 14.
Yeah.
Like, it doesn't look like that when you're watching.
120.71.
Wow. So are you usually braking just before the 1?
There it's at. Going out. Depends on the corner.
Like here, it seems like everyone's been around 2.5 today. you have to change tires for time trials?
The competitive tires I get 6 to 7 events out of, so it takes just about 2 sets a year. Then I got practice tires that'll actually last about 14 or 15 track days.
So are they,